Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Pybron. Today, we are going to see hypothesis testing. Basically, this is our sixth part of the statics. In the earlier session, we had seen different kind of, statical part and non-statical part. And I'm requesting to all who ever not seen those videos, please don't jump into this video because this is something which is correlated with the earlier videos. So now without getting delay, let's understand the concept. What is the hypothesis testing? So today we are going to, our agenda is that understand the hypothesis testing, and we will implement different kind of hypothesis testing with the help of the mathematics. And in the later session, we will implement the same thing with the help of the Python code. Okay, so hope you guys understood the agenda and you all guys are very clear with the agendas, right? So let's start the hypothesis testing. What is the hypothesis testing? Basically, hypothesis testing is a kind of testing where you have to accept or reject some of the events. Let's suppose this is the pandemic situation is going on with the corona, right? And each and every country is trying to make some vaccine so that they can recover their people from this pandemic situation. And all means before going to be released this kind of vaccine, we have to implement different kind of testing so that we can ensure that whether this vaccine will be helpful or not. So in order to perform these things, we are going to learn the hypothesis testing. Basically, hypothesis testing is nothing but it's accepting or rejecting of any events. That is known as the hypothesis testing. So again, hypothesis testing is a two kind. One is null hypothesis, another is alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis testing is what? Let's suppose country X create invented one vaccine for the corona, and this vaccine accuracy is 95%. This vaccine accuracy is around 95%, right? Now you have, this is the null hypothesis. This country X is saying, let's suppose India is invented one vaccine, and India is committing that this vaccine accuracy is around 95% to recover from the corona. Means other country is trying to prove, no, your vaccine is not accurate this much. Means your country vaccine is not giving the accuracy this much. So they will do some kind of testing over there, and they will try to find out anyway there is any reason with which I can prove that India's vaccine is not giving accuracy of 95%. Its accuracy will be less. Means if its accuracy more than 95%, that will be fine, that is acceptable. Okay, but somewhat if accuracy will be less than 95%, then it will be not accepted. So null hypothesis is what? Is a kind of whatever written, let's suppose India invented one vaccine, and that vaccine accuracy is 95%. Means null hypothesis is saying that this vaccine accuracy is more than 95%. Then what is the alternative hypothesis? Alternative hypothesis means whatever vaccine has created by the India, that vaccine accuracy is less than 95%. So overall, I can say one thing: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are mutually exclusive. Means this mutually exclusive events. Means at the same instant of time, this null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis will not exist at the particular instant of time. It will exist means alternatively. If null hypothesis will exist, then alternative hypothesis will not exist at that point. If alternative hypothesis will exist, then null hypothesis will not exist at that point. Hope you clear with this hypothesis testing and different kind of hypothesis testing. So in order to perform the hypothesis testing, there is a different methodology is there, like a Z test we have, t-test we have. T-test, sometimes people are saying that the student t-test testing also, chi-square testing, everything we will see one by one. And then ANOVA testing. Okay, ANOVA testing. There is a different kind of hypothesis testing we are going to learn in the coming session. So today my agenda is to understand the Z testing, and after that we will see the T testing or student T testing, and then chi-square testing and ANOVA testing, right? So let's I guess we are very clear with this our agenda, and now I'm going to let me clear this picture and we'll see. Now hope you understood the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Now let's let's suppose a person identify as a victim, okay, and he hired one, you know, he hired one lawyer. So lawyer is forcing that he is innocent, but another side lawyer is forcing to prove that he is not innocent. This lawyer one is try to prove this person is innocent, this person is innocent, but lawyer 2 is trying to prove he is not innocent, he is not innocent. Okay, okay. So so now, don't you think so this is again a kind of hypothesis testing? Means we have to prove this person is innocent or not innocent. People, 90% lawyer one is saying that 90% my client is innocent, but again 5% 10% is chances is that he is not innocent, right? So there is a you can say it's a kind of confusion matrix, or you can say it's a decision making table. So you should know this decision making table, but sometimes people are used to say it's a confusion matrix. Why it is known as the confusion matrix, you will get to know why the people are trying to say it is a confusion matrix, because it's a bit confusion. But yes, if once you will understand this confusion matrix, then it will be helpful to, you know, to analyze the things and in a better way, and you can predict the result, means theoretically, no need to do any calculation. Let's suppose means this people is innocent, okay. Our null hypothesis is saying that people is innocent, okay. So this null h naught is, see, null hypothesis represented by the h naught, and alpha alternative hypothesis is represented by the, you know, h means h naught false, means h naught true means null hypothesis true, right? Means people is innocent, means that person is innocent, okay. So here we had proved that person is innocent, means null hypothesis is true. And even null hypothesis is true, I'll make it a different color so it will be helpful to you. So our null hypothesis is true, means people is already innocent, but as a statistician, as a lawyer, you are trying to prove this person is non-statics, sorry, my bad, is not innocent, right? Means that person is already innocent, but lawyer 2 is trying to prove him he is not innocent. If null hypothesis is already true and you are rejecting your null hypothesis, then there will be an error, and error is known as the type 1 error or false positive, right? Means why it is known as the false positive? Again, you can say type 1 error or false positive also. False positive, why? Means that assumption is wrong, even it is wrong, but we accept it, so that's what it is known as the false positive. And type 1 error, it's a name in itself, type 1 error. And if null hypothesis is false and you reject the null hypothesis, then it's a correct decision, means that person is not innocent, and you rejected that means you rejected, then it's a correct decision, right? Then again, coming to the accept the null hypothesis, means person is innocent and you accept that null hypothesis, then it's a correct decision, right? Means person is innocent and you also accepted, lawyer is also accepted that he is a innocent person, then it's a correct decision, right? So that is fine. But again, at the same point, if person is innocent, if person h naught is false, right? So h naught is false in the sense of person is not innocent, means he is not innocent, he is not innocent. If person is not innocent and you are accepting the null hypothesis, means you are accepting that he is innocent. If person is not innocent and you are accepting he is innocent, then again it's a kind of type 2 error. And again it is saying that false negative. Why it is false negative? Again, there is a logic. See, person is not innocent means negative, and you are saying that means it's innocent, that's what it is known as the false negative. Now this type 1 type 2 error, again this is two kind of error we could see in the whenever we will do the hypothesis testing. Which one is more dangerous in case of this hypothesis testing? As of my opinion, as of my knowledge, based on my experience, I can say type 1 error or false positive error is more severe than type 2 error. Why? Again, see, in the Indian premium code, or our constitution is saying that means if one innocent, means let's suppose there is 1,000 innocent is there, and there is 1,000 criminal is there, and in order to find that 1,000 criminal, if we you know we hanged a single innocent person rather to find the 1,000 non-innocent person. If we hanged on a single innocent person, that is more dangerous, right? Means you can say, you can see like this. Let's suppose this person is innocent, and we gave a punishment, our constitution gave the punishment, which is it better? Or let's see, we did not find any conclusion, and this, even he's innocent or not, I don't know, and we did not give the punishment to him. This is better, this is better, right? If we are not able to identify whether he is the victim or not, we can leave him rather to give the punishment. So type 1 error is saying he is innocent, and even though we are giving him punishment, so this is the type 1 error. So our constitution is also not allowing this. So type 1 error is very dangerous, very dangerous in as compared to type 2 error, right? So hope you understood the hypothesis testing. In the next video, we will implement this hypothesis testing with the help of different kind of metrics like a Z testing, t-testing, chi-square testing, ANOVA testing. These are the different kind of hypothesis testing methodology is there. With the help of this testing methodology, we will implement our hypothesis test. Thanks for watching this. If you really like this video, then please do the comment, subscribe our channel. Thank you.